Shivali. How are
Hi,
you?
Harleen. How are you?
I'm doing very well. You're looking very pretty.
Thank you. And so are
You
you.
got the same brief you were supposed to dress. Let's wait. Let everybody join.
Yes, I
By
was
the
waiting
way,
for you.
you're one of my favorite beauty content creators, and there's one similarity which I'm sure you don't know.
And
You're
what
from
is?
Ahmedabad, right?
Yes, I
So am
am.
I.
Where do you reside? Where do you still live?
Prahlad Nagar, Vastrapur. So I stayed in
Oh,
satellite for a bit in Prahlad Nagar. My family's still based out of Ahmedabad.
same here. My family still based. I'm
I
married
know,
here.
I have been watching you, so I know about you. But
Wow.
so glad to be doing this live with you.
And so
And
with you because I love the brand. Guilty.
thank you so much. You made my day.
Absolutely.
Big shout out to the Amazon beauty fashion team, Pratik, Jyoti, Namrata, Sadaf, my entire team for making this possible because this is a huge platform. And thank you, Amazon, for recognizing homegrown brands and giving this platform and arranging
Absolutely.
this. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I think a lot of people have joined in,
Yes,
right? So we can.
absolutely. I think there are so many people who are joining and saying hi. So I think we should definitely say them hi.
Hi. Hi, everyone. Yes, we should. This is my life, so you direct. My first life.
Oh, it's live for me after such a long time.
Yeah. I for me it's the first time, so
Oh,
you take the lead.
okay. So, Harleen, first, please tell us about you and the brand a little bit more, and then we can get into the live.
Okay, what about me? I've been in beauty industry for almost 12 plus years now. I've worked in beauty brands. I worked at Nykaa. I worked at Unilever. Before I started my own brand, I saw that there's this gap where we're really fond of international brand because of their quality and the texture and the finish and the ingredients, superior ingredients, that we see in the international beauty
Yes,
brands. But in
absolutely.
India, that was a clear gap. So I thought, can we do this? It's not rocket science. It just wasn't done. And I started in 2017. I started the company. 2019, I launched House of Makeup. And 2023 is when we relaunched it
Yes.
after the COVID. And so far, in the last 1.5 years, has been really exciting journey for us. People have really loved skin tint, concealer, correctors, and all thanks to beauty content creators like you who've made people acquainted with our products.
Absolutely.
And so it's thank you again. And so for the last 1.5 years has been a really exciting journey for
So,
us.
what was the inspiration behind House of Makeup? I really want to know because I know your products. I have bought them on my
Yeah.
own. I've reviewed them for so long, and I've recommended them for time and time and time and time again. I know I have made people, my friends, buy the skin tint. Especially, I want to know more about what was the inspiration behind that skin tint.
So behind the skin tint, so I would every day when I would get ready for work would want that one product, which is
Yeah,
not foundation because it would be heavy on my skin. BB and CC creams were just not doing the job. They
correct.
would be patchy, flaky, and just difficult to even apply for that matter, and would come in limited colors. I needed something which is easy to apply with fingertips and is very high on skincare actives because skin tint is something like when you're getting ready for office, you're going to put that makeup on for at least 8 9 hours. You want
Absolutely
that product to be filled with skincare actives so that it won't break you out. It's good for sensitive skin, it's good for rosacea, it's good for
correct.
acne prone skin. Because in India 70% of searches in fact on Google are related to acne prone skin. Women are scared of trying makeup a lot of times because they are like, ये मुझे acne तो नहीं break out कर देगा, my skin is very acne prone, oily, can I use this on a daily basis? So I wanted something which is very good with and loaded with
True.
skincare actives like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, goji berry, which is antioxidant, great skincare product
Yeah.
with tint and just gives you that very nice healthy glow, like you've worked out, like you've had like your fruits and vegetables, you've had your 8 glasses of water, and your
Correct.
skin is glowing within that kind of a glow. So that was the inspiration. I went to many vendors, manufacturers to get it done. Finally, we got that
Get it right.
Yes. And now, people love it, and I'm very, very thankful that the love that we get for skin tint.
Yeah. So, as I think people who have joined in do not know, we are going to create a Valentine's Day makeup with House of Makeup products,
Yeah.
and Amazon Fashion has given us this platform. So,
Yeah.
Harleen, what's your Valentine's story? What were you like in college back then of Valentine's, and what are you like now?
Well, I would definitely know that Valentine's used to be like very popular with my all my girlfriends. They would, right from 7 days to Valentine's Day, leading up to they would all dress up and color coordinate. Makeup used to be, done as per the looks.
Yeah,
But back
as for
then,
the days.
makeup, I know, but makeup options बहुत कम थी.
Huh,
So
true.
एक होता था एक हल्की सी, pink lipstick और काजल. That was
That's it.
about it. That was it. Thank God that we have more options now. But
Absolutely.
the excitement used to be a lot. College में तो यार मतलब सबको पता चल जाता था प्रोफेसर्स को कि 7 days to Valentine's मन रहा है, कभी रोज डे, कभी टेडी डे. So excitement used to be a lot. Even we used to dress up and go to college. So it used to be a fun, exciting time. Now I don't do that much, but back in the day, college days, we've had that fun.
I think I remember me and my girlfriends in a room.
Yeah.
We would exchange notes like, oh, how did he ask you? What was the question? And playing dress up because okay,
Yeah.
should I wear this? Should I wear that? And only like few people had makeup. So like if I had a kajal, she had that lipstick.
Yeah.
Not everyone had a lot of makeup products all together.
Yeah.
So everyone would exchange, do those makeup. Okay, lao, main tumhara liner kar deti hu. Lao, you
Yeah.
give me your
Yeah.
lipstick. I
Yeah.
remember it was just to be so much fun. I think before the actual date, this was our own, kind of a
Yeah.
date. The
Yeah.
date between the girls, the Galentines, I think people call it now.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
think that was much more fun than going on an actual date.
I'm sure. Now Valentine is all about, it's become another take care, self-care, me day, right?
Self-care need, yeah. You pamper yourself the
Why
entire
not?
day, and then you are on the day like, okay, 1 hour is fine.
Absolutely,
What with
absolutely.
you, Harleen? I think this is my first Valentine's Day I'm celebrating in like all these 28 years. My first Valentine's Day ever that I'm
Seriously?
celebrating. Yeah.
As a married person, or actually first time celebrating
Actually,
Valentine's?
first
Oh
time.
my God, it has to be really special.
It has to be.
The
So
pressure would be really high.
it's just going to be like you do whatever you want to do on it. I am just going to have a nice shower, put loads of skincare, a lot of makeup. I'll take 2 hours doing the makeup. Even if it
Why
takes
not?
me 20 minutes, I'll take 2 hours doing that makeup. The process of applying that makeup is so therapeutic when you have that music on.
Absolutely.
You're just doing your own makeup is just so much fun that it's better than the actual date, I believe. So let's see how my Valentine's Day goes. But what are your Valentine's Day plans for today, this time?
This time, I think so. We don't celebrate. We do step out for dinner. I wouldn't say that we don't step out for dinner. My husband is a die-hard romantic person, so he would definitely.
I am jealous. I envy you. I am
All
envying
my
you so
girlfriends
much.
are jealous, trust me. But he would definitely plan something. He not just that, he sometimes would just surprise me in office with roses. And he is very romantic, and so yeah, so he would plan something, but
I think-
mostly it's dinner.
I think every girl over here is going to cry so much because every girl wants that. Like, okay, you plan that thing, I'll take care of my own dressing up and makeup, and you plan the whole thing.
Yeah. I have actually not done the planning ever. Just blessed and grateful.
Lucky you. But okay, moving on.
Yeah.
I think as a brand owner, I want to know what do you think the current trend is about?
I think it's about skin looking like skin, dewy, natural, skin. There used to be a time where no makeup looks. It's about no makeup look. But I know that 2-3 years back, no makeup look had 15 products. So it used to still be a lot of product heavy, no makeup look. Now it's come down to no makeup, but skinning. Like,
Correct.
your skin is glowing within. And
Correct.
people prefer, minimal products to achieve that. Like not more than 2 to 3 products to achieve that look.
Correct.
and products which are heavy on skincare actors, because now people are educated, so they don't want to take any chances.
True.
So so basically I think the trend is skin looking more like skin,
Correct.
glowy dewy finish, and yeah, just I and this flush of light pink red, like those blush on your cheeks, which looks like blushing from within kind of a look. That's the
That
trend, is
radiance,
what I
that
think.
glow.
Yeah, just like glow within glow, like that is the trend.
I think I remember back in the days like 2016, we had that popping highlighter
Yeah,
going on where we
yeah,
to blind like the person standing like a miles away. But
yeah.
I think right now it's all about that natural glow.
It's about
That's not too
sheen.
much.
Even with the highlighter, it's more about sheen.
She,
It's
correct.
not about those glitters, those heavy glitters sitting on your face and making you look like glitter bomb. No, it's not about that anymore. It's about the subtle sheen, the subtle glow.
Correct. I think someone is asking which a question which also I am interested in. Are you ever going to launch eye makeup products?
We will launch eye products very, very soon, probably this year.
So I should be the first
As
person to know that.
always, of course.
Of course, because
Of
House
course.
of Makeup has been really special because I remember when I reviewed the skin tint and the concealer, it was the first time I was using your brand.
Yeah.
And I think in that video, I told that I am proud that an Indian brand has come out with such great base
Yeah.
products.
Yeah.
I remember I have tried, and as a content creator, I have tried n number of base products, correct?
Yeah.
Never an Indian brand has excelled it.
Thank you
Like
so much.
I can wear
That
it
means
outside
a
as well.
lot. That means a lot. Not just me, the entire team works really hard because we know that we want to meet the expectations of our customers, and Indian customers deserve that quality. They look for
Correct.
value for money, and we want to deliver that value for money. They don't look for cheap
Correct.
products. A lot of times people confuse saying, कि इंडिया में सस्ता बिकता है. नहीं, Indian customers value driven है. उनको
हाँ.
प्रोडक्ट में वैल्यू दिखेगा, they will be the most loyal
Correct.
customers to your brand.
They want
So
the
we
value
want-
for the money they are paying
Absolutely.
for.
And we all do. It's all hard-earned money, right? And makeup should not be so expensive. If you're using makeup every day, it should be affordable.
Correct.
Looking at our demographics, if a makeup is priced exorbitantly, then you're just reaching a very small market, very small consumers. So I definitely, that was the goal right from the beginning, that we'll make world-class products, world-class textures, use the best raw ingredients,
Correct.
and ensure it's still affordable for people.
Somebody just wrote over here that they have not tried your skin tint yet, and I want to say, if there's one product that from this brand that you absolutely need to have, I think you should have all the products we use today because I love them. But the first product you should absolutely try is the skin tint, because I have been using that from past 2 to 3 years now.
Yeah.
And you can never go wrong with it. You can
Thank
just
you
not
so much.
go wrong.
But yes, please try Skin Tint. It's available on Amazon. Please go, please. And right now, there are a lot of discounts running on Amazon. So please go and check out the entire collection on Amazon and try Skin Tint.
Also,
before, what
Yeah.
are your plans? What are your plans?
this time we've planned, me and my husband have planned that we'll do like a cozy movie dinner date in the balcony, since it's really cold in winters as of now in Delhi
Yeah.
still.
That
we
is
thought-
very romantic.
Yeah, that was my plan. So I am the romantic one. So we are going to give me the bonus points here. So
Are we keeping
yeah.
scores? We're not. In relationships, we don't keep scores.
We need to keep scores, that he needs to know that next time he needs to do better.
I'm sure he's watching and taking notes. I'm
He
sure
is
he'll.
watching this because I told him to watch this from the other room. He's already messaged here, I know, so he's watching, so he knows what to do now.
This is the time to also drop in hint what you need.
Yeah, I'm giving all the HOM makeup links to him from Amazon.
Listen, that we will take care of. You get her something else that she needs.
Okay, we are going on a trip.
So yeah,
So I think we should start doing like a nice small, like a skin-like makeup look, and meanwhile people can ask questions if they want to, and you
Yeah.
can answer them.
yeah, sure. I see a lot of questions, and they just Lot of question comments just coming, so it's difficult for me to even catch hold of something and reply. But I'll try. I'll try.
So I
But so
keep
what
on
look are you
mentioning,
doing?
I keep on mentioning the products that I'm using, and you can talk more about it because people, I'm so glad that people are more intrigued and they want to know what's going on and what's on my face and what's going to be put on my face.
Yeah.
So guys, we're just going to do a very simple, very skin-like, very natural rose day
Let's
makeup like that you
do
can do
a
in 5
pink
times.
coquette, core look. Let's do that.
Oh yeah, get look that's very
Yes.
famous currently.
Yes, that's a rage right now. Let's try and do that.
Let's try and do that. I am going to start doing my base, and meanwhile,
Yes,
Harlini can take
I'll
over.
pick a few questions for
That
sure. Somebody just say smile, please. I am smiling. Your skin is so good. Thank you. I just have put skin tint. You need to try that as well.
just going to nourish my skin before. The one thing that you need
Yeah,
to do is like hydrate your skin well, and so that
absolutely.
even more your skin will be glowy once you put on
Yeah, we
the.
have a question where somebody is asking, Vidisha is asking, is skin tint good for acne skin? Absolutely.
Yes.
It's made with, curated with ingredients which are absolutely comfortable for acne prone skin, all skin types for that matter, even oily skin. So please feel free to use it. We
And it's
have,
like it's not too heavy like a
it's
makeup
not.
makeup, so
See,
that
I just want to,
yeah,
it's not a foundation. Skin tint is
yes,
not a foundation. It's not a replacement in case you're looking for a foundation when you're going for your bridal heavy makeup
correct.
look. This cannot be a replacement to that. It's for everyday look. So if you're going out, you're stepping out for your casual dinners, evenings, going to office. Oh yes,
You can
that's
see how
it's a,
dirty this is, right? That means it's literally
that
there
means
every
yeah,
single day being used.
yeah. But I'm
So the
happy.
more dirty a product is, again, that's a nishani that it's being used. It's
Yes, and you
actually
reach
being
out to that
used.
product more.
Yeah, it's literally dirty. My names are like scratches are there. It's gone. I know. I need
Yeah, somebody just asked, can I use concealer as a bride? Yes, our concealers are very
like
hydrating. Yeah.
it's so it looks thick, but once you start blending it, it'll go gayab in your skin. It'll
Yeah,
start
I can see that.
disappearing.
I'm sure everybody here on the live can also see that.
Like you can literally use your fingers. It's
People
that
are asking,
full
what's
quick.
your shade?
I am in the
Darling?
shade M10, M10.
M10.
Right. That's like a perfect match. Like you can see,
I
it's
can
like a
see that. I
perfect
can
match.
see the glue. I can see the glue. It's looking fantastic on you. Yeah. I Yeah, so you can definitely use concealers. Basically, that was the last question. It's very hydrating, very easy to blend, and it's full coverage. Concealers are buildable to full coverage. You can use concealers even during your party heavy bridal makeup look. So even color correctors are great because they're in the shade light peach and peach. Which what shade are you wearing? M50, M10. Valine is wearing M10. I know it's a lovely shade match. Everybody said,
You cannot tell that it's just my skin, but better.
yeah.
I
Yeah,
always just love this for the because I know I can blend this with my fingers. I usually do not use my
yeah.
fingers. I'm not like someone who'll use fingers for a
Oh
concealer and
wow, yeah,
brushes and all. But
yeah.
this, I think it just makes it 10x better when I blend
The
it with my
yeah, the goal
fingers.
was that I don't want to pull any brushes in the morning or beauty blenders. बस निकालो उसको warm करो face पे and it's easy to blend with fingers.
That's it. And I sometimes when I want more natural, I'll just put it under my eyes also, just as a
Yeah.
concealer. I usually don't do that, but I know it just gets so much better and I do not need to do anything
People are
extra.
sending you love from Ahmedabad. I know.
People are sending you also love from Ahmedabad. I just got to
Yeah,
know
that's
that you
so
are also
sweet.
from there.
Yeah.
I'll just do half my face so that you guys can tell the difference.
Which brand? Guys, House of Makeup. House of Makeup is the brand. Please go check out on Amazon.
And this is my entire face. Like even if I do a
Yeah,
close
yeah,
up,
it's
I am not afraid to
yeah,
do a close up because I know my skin is looking so much better.
it is, it is.
So guys, I have done the half face with my with the
Guys, for a lot of people are asking medium skin tone shades. So in medium skin tone, we have, yeah, look at that. Look at that match. That's M10. In the medium skin tone, we have light to me. We have M05, M10, M15, MD10. We have 4 shades just in the medium category. So please go and check out.
So this is my face with the skin tint, and this is not. You can literally tell,
Yeah,
but you
it is
cannot tell.
It is looking lovely. Yeah, I
I
would suggest
always love
we
it.
finish it up with some blush and it's going to look lovely.
Yeah, I'm just gonna finish quickly with my other face
Yeah,
as well
yeah.
with this.
In the
And
meantime, I'm going to keep taking questions.
yeah,
Love Skin Tint. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for the love. You know, Skin Tint was so popular. It's not a great thing, but it is a great thing. We stocked out 4 times last year. I
really?
know, I know. But fortunately, we have stocks now back in stock, and we're well stocked. But guys, who knows? Please go
We
and grab yours now.
want it to be out of stock.
Uh,
But
it's like you're
one thing,
drinking hydration. Yes, guys, it is like
correct.
that. Correct. Love the glow. I love the glow as well.
Like it's just you can never tell that you have something on, but you can tell because it's there. You
Yeah.
can see the glow.
Review of highlighter. Well, our highlighters are again great. They give you like the dewy sheen on your cheeks. They're not the chunky particles. It's made with crushed pearls, which will not settle in your pores and fine lines. And they do not move. So it's smudge proof. So once it settles, it's not going to move. So yeah.
I used it for a couple of days ago, the highlighters. I started using them, and it was so rightly named like the pearly finish because I was like, what is this?
Yeah.
I can see the glow, but it's not blinding that it's like breaking someone's eyeballs.
I see
It's that good.
Suraya, she used to work with us earlier, saying, I love House of Makeup Products. Suraya, we love you. And thanks for still loving us. Oh my God. Our ex-colleagues are also joining in. This is so cool.
Okay. We are done with. So I'm done with the base.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you repeat the shade name? Yes. Valine is using M10.
I'm just going to quickly do some concealer. This is from House of Makeup as well.
Yeah.
It's their Zoom In concealer, and this was also the one of the first products I got from them.
So I'll talk about the the way we formulated this. So honestly, I love the Tarte concealers. I'll go on the camera and record and say that, but they're very difficult to blend for a normal person who's not a makeup artist. Yes. So they were difficult for me to blend in, and I would still do a good job, but people who are not used to using concealers regularly,
Right.
they would find it difficult to blend in. So I thought, and plus the area under your eyes is so thin. You need a product which is very light, very hydrating, and yet buildable. So
Very coverage, good coverage.
Yes, and of course with concealers you need that coverage. With concealers you cannot go sheen. You need that coverage.
Right.
So with that in mind, we formulated these concealers, which are absolutely very, very moisturizing, hydrating for the skin beneath your eyes, and gives you a great. Look at that coverage. Look at that.
And
Looks
I
lovely.
just put like 2 tiny dots because I know even those 2 tiny dots are going to make this happen.
Yeah.
If I put more, it's going to start
So
creasing.
of course, gone are the days when I used to see like using a lot of concealers, not required, just a tiny 2 drops, blend it properly, and that does the job.
Correct.
Absolutely.
It won't settle into my fine lines.
Yes.
also because right
Using
now
too much product does not help.
Yes.
Like concealer shade. People are asking your concealer shade. Sorry.
Oh yeah. So the concealer shade I use in LM01, it's a tad bit light to my skin because I like a little light under eyes. If you want the perfect match, you can go a shade up.
The shade higher would be M01. That is a concealer shade that goes well for me. Yeah.
So that be M01. But if I like a little lighter under eye, I use LM01.
Yeah, guys, they're saying you like puffy pouch. Thank you so much. Babe, you are so cute. हिंदी
Next
में
is
बोलिए, मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूंगी अब. मुझे हिंदी बहुत comfortably आती है,
so
so I speak in Hindi as well.
Harleen, अब इस product के बारे में बता दो. This is also one of my favorite ones.
So you know, powder blushes give a lot of pigmentation, but difficult to apply again. So we made a cream blush which is applies like a cream but settles as a powder, gives you that pigment and stays on for long. So yeah,
That
apply.
pigment.
Yeah, so just blend it out, and because we're
People
creating a.
think that I'm lying when I say that, it's so great. I recently did a video on this and they think that, okay, kitna ye blend to ho jata hai. Now you guys can see
Yeah.
this live and how easily it's going to blend into my skin.
Yeah, yeah. I would also take a moment to give a huge shout out to Prachi Hara. She's been loving our products and promoting it. All the content creators for that matter, thank you so much. You've been very kind. When you review products which are just sent to you as PR kits, but you love the brand and you do authentic voice content, it really really helps us. So thank you so much.
Oh, I think someone
Surprise.
is there. I need to open it. Yeah. Oh my god!
Happy Rose Day!
Happy Rose Day.
Did you guys set this up?
Yes, of course.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Hope you like it. It's from House of Makeup's team.
Ah, this is so. The only time my husband is getting me roses is when you guys are sending it. It's so cute. I just look at it. It has a ribbon. It's so cute. I'm going to put
I'm
this
so happy
too.
that you like it.
I absolutely do. Wow. Okay, I'm getting distracted, guys. I'm getting distracted. I think I'm gonna do this right now.
Yeah. Let's continue. Let's focus on what you're doing.
So much for these.
My pleasure.
So
My
lovely.
pleasure. They're asking for a skin tint and concealer combo. For Valine, it would be M10 plus LN01 because she likes a shade lighter. But if you like an actual match, go for M01. Yeah. Oh my god, that color looks so good on your cheeks. Oh
I
my
know it's the
god.
perfect coquette look.
Perfect.
I know. And the best part is I can easily blend all of these products with my fingers.
Yeah.
And that's the thing I achieve when I'm in a hurry or if I'm going somewhere that needs very casual thing.
Yeah.
But this. Guys, you can also put this on your eyes like I want to do it right now. You can just take a little bit.
Yeah, and just rub it. It's very easy to blend. And look at that color. It's perfect. It's not too much. It's when you don't want to do the entire eyes and just have a little flush. Yes, it's looking great. It's looking great.
If you want to go a little more deep, then you can take some more. But I like very lighted on my eyes. Yes, you guys can use it on your lips too, है ना, Harleen?
Bilkul. You know just take this product, apply, and all these things were tested on lips because a lot of times ना lip and cheeks पे तो ठीक लगते हैं but lips पे ना बहुत ही patchy और pastel लगते हैं.
Right.
So these tints were developed keeping in mind कि lips पे भी they look beautiful and pretty.
Right. And see, I mean, it's just giving that monochromatic look, but yet looking so subtle.
It's looking really nice. It's looking very good. Does the blush last long? Absolutely. It will last almost 8 to 9 hours. It's not going to move. It's a cream formula which settles into a powder finish. It will last you all day long. What is the price of skin tint? $7.99, but it is at discount on Amazon right now.
And it's very rarely at discount. I know. I've
Yes.
shopped at
Absolutely.
at MRPs because I really wanted them and they're never on discount, Harleen. But it's a good thing because great things come at a good
we
price.
want you to have a great Valentine's week. Please go shop, treat yourself, and that's the only reason it's on discount for a very, very short period. So go shop right now. Why don't you use that lip tint on your cheeks? I would love to see that if you can.
Yes, of course. But first, I want to use the highlight.
Okay.
If you want, should I use
Perfect.
the skin tint on my lips first? Because then I want to also want to show the lipsticks. First, we'll
Yeah.
show.
Sure.
First, you do. I'm doing the lip tint only. You
Yeah.
guys can see.
See, guys, the color doesn't look pastel. It looks really nice on the lips as well. The color is burnt rose, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. And also, I have pigmented lips, so even then, it shows up pretty nice.
Yeah. So Priya says, great products. Thank you. Any offers for Valentine's Day? Yes. Narish, there are a lot of offers. You must buy something for your wife or girlfriend or whoever. It looks even better on lips. I agree.
Here it is.
Yes. Link to products. Guys, how do we attach link? Just go on Amazon and search House of Makeup. You'll find all the products.
Now,
I'm doing this for the first time. I don't know how to add link here, but go on Amazon and you will find all the products there.
but we'll do the star of the show, the highlighter. I have all the shades right here with me, but the one I'm most excited about is Meteorite.
It's my favorite too. It's very difficult to pick favorite, but I do reach out to Meteoroid quite often.
Ask me. It was so difficult for me to choose between that 4 shades.
See, with even highlighters, we
I'm gonna
studied
swatch.
the highlighters and we saw that there were no right yes.
And once I blend it in,
Look at that pearly glow. No chunky glitters. No glitters to highlight your texture or pores. It's gonna just give you that sheen glow on the cheeks. Just that sheen dewy glow.
I am gonna.
I bought 4 bullet lipsticks in 4 shades. Love them all. Thank you so much.
And again, with the fingers.
Shalini, love the formulations. Thank you so much, Shalini. Oh my god, it's looking bomb. Guys, see for yourself. मैं बोलूंगी तो बोलेंगी खुद की मुंह मेरा मिट्ठू, but see for yourself.
But look at this, like no highlighter, emphasized. Now
You must step out today. You're dressing up so well.
Yes.
आज
I am going to go out. This makeup is not going to go waste. Oh.
You have to ask my man to buy products. There is a giveaway happening. Tag your man, and he might be able to win these products for you, not even buy. There's a giveaway happening. Please participate in that.
And even if you do not win the giveaway, then you make them buy.
Then you make them. But please, अब जब free का giveaway हो रहा है,
giveaway करो.
पहले giveaway में try करो.
True. But you can see how this highlighter, it's liquid highlighter, but it does not shift the foundation or your skin tint underneath.
Yeah.
That's more important with liquid. I think that's very difficult to achieve with liquid highlighters.
Yeah.
है ना?
So liquid highlighters are typically the last product that you're applying on your cheeks, right? And there are products beneath. So you want to ensure that it doesn't move your base.
I want it everywhere.
It is 100%, transfer proof, guys. It's 100% transfer proof. It's not going to smudge or move at all. It'll only come out with the makeup remover. It's not going to move. Let it settle. You can use tissue, rub it. It's not going to move. Which highlighter? House of Makeup. Meteoroid is the shade. I love using eye makeup. Great.
Maybe on some of my eyes too.
Oh wow.
I think we're just going a little overboard with this, but it's okay.
Restock nail polishes. Absolutely, we will do that. Any new launches? Yes. Absolutely a big yes. Just keep watching, keep following House of Makeup. You will be the first one to know.
I think I went a little overboard with the highlighter, but it's okay.
I think it's looking cute. It's right for the coquette look that we were trying to achieve. It's perfect.
Loving my skin.
Yeah. So it's It's perfect. It's looking perfect. Even on the eyes, when you felt it, you went a little over. It's looking perfect. You've managed to balance it out.
Yeah, because fingers for the win.
I'll quickly talk about other shades.
Yeah.
So the highlighter for deep skin tone, I think go and try the Stardust. Starbust. You would, sorry, Starburst. You would love it. It's a rose, pink gold color. You have it with you.
This is right
This
here.
It's not the gold color, because a lot of times the gold highlighter does not complement the medium to deep skin tone. It just, does not go with the skin tone. The rose, yeah, look at, yeah. This color would really go very well with medium to deep complexion.
Right.
For fair, you can go for Moonlight.
I think it's time for me. But before moving
No.
on to lips 13, I think you should revise all the shades that I've used for all the products.
Yeah.
Because people are asking again and again, like what shades I was using.
Yeah,
what
I
blush.
know. Yeah. So for base, for skin tint, Valine has used M10. For concealer, she's used LM01. For blush, which she's applied on her cheeks and her lips and her eyes, she's used burnt rose. And on her cheekbones, and some more on the eyes and on the chin, she's used her highlighter in the shade Meteoroid. And she looks lovely. She looks lovely.
I am obsessed with the highlighter. I don't think I'll be able to remove it.
You must go out today for dinner. You must not let this go for waste. Offline stores, guys, soon. अगर आपका प्यार ऐसे ही मिलता रहा तो बहुत जल्द offline stores आएंगे. Keep loving us, keep believing in us, and I promise we will not let you down. With every launch, I will ensure we work harder and harder and ensure that we will never let you down.
I think with each product, House of Makeup has come since the relaunch, I believe. Since the relaunch has stunned me so much. Like from the skin tint to the dab and cheek, the tint. I recently reviewed this on my page and people have gone crazy over that product. They're like, which one is it? I was like, this shade, this particular shade, burnt rose, because that's such a unique shade. Yeah. It's warm, it's bright, but once you blend it, it does not look like you've gone crazy on your cheeks.
Yeah, so you said post relaunch, and I would just want to take a quick second and tell that COVID was very tough for us.
Yeah.
We would have not survived. There were brands, who were bigger, who had the means and resources to reach out to customers in a better format than us. We only survived because our customers kept coming back to us for kajals, for our products, and we managed to survive COVID and relaunch our brand. This would have not been possible without our customers' support and love. And therefore, my goal is that every time we launch, we take a lot of time. We take around a year and a half to launch a product. We do it slow, but the goal is to do justice to that, because customers are going to put their trust, money in trying a product. I don't want to disappoint them.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's better to be late than come up with a banging product.
Yeah.
And come
So
out
we
with
want to,
average.
when you guys say we're launching slower products, we're just taking some time. We're trying to get the formulation right, get the packaging right. Our skin tint hair, it's in a perfect compact, tube
Size.
bottle, which you can throw it in your bag and not worry about it spilling.
Absolutely.
So it's made with that, it's made with that thought process.
I think Hardy, take all the time in the world, but please come with banging products that we keep relying on blindly.
Thank you. I will, but we'll try to cut down on time with as we grow. But the promise is the products will always deliver in performance and will be affordable. Where can you try products? You can try on our website. You can actually go WhatsApp us. Somebody from my team will reach out to you and solve the query on skin tint shade. We get almost 200 plus queries on which skin tint to buy. Come to our website. You might buy from Amazon, but if you have any queries, come to our website. We'll help you out. We promise. You come to us either on Instagram DM or on WhatsApp or on email. We will help you find the right shade. We'll not leave you until you found your right shade. We'll show you live swatches. We'll do everything required. So reach out to us on our website, on WhatsApp.
Now it's time to end the look.
Yeah, this is the perfect color. Is it Candy Frost?
It is.
Of course.
And I think this is the cute, coquette Valentine's look, like with people
Absolutely.
who do not like red,
Yeah.
or who want to try more pinkier shades, like the
Yeah.
cuter ones. I think this is for them.
And if you want to try something pink in a mini thing, go for pink butter. You would love the pink butter shade.
Pink
It's
butter?
a pink butter. It's in a mini liquid lipstick. So we have full size liquid lipsticks, we have mini liquid lipsticks. Pink butter again is a very nice nude pink color. I'm wearing that. I'm wearing pink butter.
You're wearing pink butter right now.
Yeah, I'm wearing pink butter.
So you guys,
by the way, I just said
have
water is
different
transfer
shades?
proof. I just said water.
Oh.
Transfer proof, guys.
So you guys have different shades for the miniatures and different for the
Yes, because the minis are all nude collection. We have
Okay.
2 nude browns called Caramel Dip and Ginger Snap. Ginger Snap is a best seller in liquid lipstick. We have it in a full size also. We have it in a mini as well. And
I
so
know.
is Cinnamon Blush.
I know. I have it.
So is Cinnamon Blush. So, but our minis have nude pinks, nude browns, and nude mauve. So we have the entire nudes. Our minis are all nude colors.
Wow.
This live is really been like therapy. Valeen, I never knew I would enjoy this so much.
I knew
It's
you
been-
would.
I like
Because the girls gang coming on a live and chit chatting about makeup, who wouldn't love?
Of course. But it's my first live. I never knew I'm going to enjoy so much. I was like, what are we going to talk about? I'm not such a big talker, but look at this. I've been talking and chatting the entire time.
Because it's a girl's girl, and then you're talking about makeup.
That's
You
true.
can never not talk enough about makeup. It's
Yeah.
always about
I'm just loving this. I'm just loving this banter and talking about makeup. And love your look. It's
And
come out so well. It's come out so
it's come
well.
out so well because
You
it's
you
just more
wearing
fresh.
right jewelry, pearls. Oh my God, you have the entire look going.
That's the reason why we are going out. I'm
Yeah, you must.
not wasting this makeup look and my hair and my jewelry on just sitting here on a live. I need the
You
world
are
out there to
chatting with
see.
me. You're anyways not wasting, but you must step out.
No, I mean, people have
Yeah.
seen here. People outside also need
Need
to
to
see my face
see
today
this,
and
of
ask
course.
me, what is
Of-
that on your skin?
Okay, brown nudes, girl. In the full size, we have a lot of shades. We have ginger snap, we have glaze nut, we have hot chocolate. Then we have a little reddish brownish color called honey coral, cinnamon blush, and in the nude pink we have candy frost. For a deeper complexion, rose cream would also do very well.
Someone just said that I did makeup in 15 minutes. I'm like, yes.
But 15 minutes is right. It's not much of a time. Look at that glow, guys, and look at the finish. 15
That's what
minutes
she's
is,
amazed about.
and look at how much we're chatting. With that and that skill set of doing while chatting.
That's what she's saying. That she just did her makeup in 15
Yeah,
minutes. Like the entire
absolutely.
look was done. I'm like,
Absolutely.
yeah, that's the power of these products. They don't take a lot of time in blending.
Yeah.
And they just settle into your skin like skin.
Love
That's
the
the
glow.
beauty.
Everybody saying love the glow. Oh my God.
It's the highlighter and the skin tint, guys.
Well, I think the look has come out really well. Now you should not waste any moment, but step out and enjoy your evening.
I will.
Yeah, you must.
So thank
Guys,
you.
all
guys.
these products are available on Amazon, so you can go and shop and enjoy the discounts because they are not going to be on discount anytime soon. It's only for the Valentine's week. Go and shop. If you want your boyfriends to know about the products that they must get for you, we have a giveaway going. Tag them. Tag us and you might win a giveaway hamper.
Absolutely. And shop all these products on Amazon. Follow at House of Makeup on Instagram because they keep coming with updates that are not worth missing.
Thank you. And do follow Valeen. She comes up with amazing content. She's doing content around shadi makeup looks. Guys, abhi shadi season chal raha hai. Go follow her. You will not have to go and spend a bomb on getting ready outside. Follow her. She gets you some amazing hacks and easy tips to do your makeup in almost as much as 15 minutes.
I think
So go follow
people
her.
are asking about the products once more. So the House of Makeup Skin Tint in M10, the
Yeah.
concealer in LM01, the lip and cheek tint, that's the blush. We used it in Burnt Rose.
Yeah.
The highlighter, the liquid highlighter, we used it in Meteoroid.
In Meteoroid.
Meteoroid.
Yeah.
And the lipstick was the liquid lipstick
Candy Frost.
in the shade Candy
Yes.
Frost.
And thank you once again, Amazon, for doing this. It means the world to brands like ours, homegrown brand. Thank you so much for helping us and arranging this. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, Valeen.
Thank you, Harleen, for having me. It was such a dream opportunity to be here with you, with a favorite brand and Amazon to just chit
Thank you
chat here
so
and
much.
talk about
The
makeup.
pleasure is mutual. Thank you so much. Loved this live. We should do this more often, is what I feel.
Absolutely. I'll
Yeah.
see you.
I won't keep you waiting. Go have fun. Have a great
Bye-bye.
evening.
Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.